As a race mechanic, it's very important to get things right first time. That's why correct lighting is very important.
Automotive workshops or garages typically receive little natural light. So for any professional who spend a lot of time in these environments, having the right lighting for the job at hand is critical. Not just for seeing properly, but also for safety, particularly when power tools are involved. We collaborate closely with our customers, listening to how they use our products and what they need. Today, I have the pleasure to introduce you to our two new professional workshop lamps. designed for tasks that require illumination in specific work areas. Our first lamp. The new Philips CBH52 has been specifically designed for mechanics who want an under-bonnet or under-hood light that is bright enough for close-up, detailed work. One of the best features of this new lamp is its two-side extendable telescopic mount and sliding light module. This means you can use this bonnet lamp on almost any type of vehicle. And its large rubber-coated hooks prevent paintwork scratches. The sliding light module gives you light wherever you need it in the work area. Last but not the least, the Philips CBH52 is built around our unique, high-quality Lumileds Luxion LED chips providing maximum eye comfort. Our second lamp, the Philips HL22M, is a hands-free, lightweight headlight. It delivers a great combination of power and flexibility. Power because the Philips HL22M is a well-designed, compact headlight that comes with adjustable brightness, ranging from an ultra-low 50 lumen all the way up to 300 lumen. That covers just about any level of illumination that professionals need while working under the car or in a focused area. They can also choose between two preset modes, and there is an SOS flashlight too. Also, a hands-free light source is really useful when our hands are oily or greasy from working in an engine bay or under the car. We originally designed a headlight with this in mind. We added a motion sensing control, enabling you to turn the light off and on as you work just by waving your hand in front of the sensor. Both these new lamps are high-quality Philips products, an essential tool for automotive professionals.
Innovation and you, Philips.